What's up, guys? My name is Joplin. This is Eric. We're going to talk to you guys a little bit about lifestyle considerations before you take that next jump into starting your business venture. What we'll start off with is timing. Really, you're not going to find the perfect time in which to start your business.
Yeah, that's true. But something you might want to consider is major life events that might be happening now or in the future. Like, say you are having a baby, you're expecting a baby. Might want to wait until that's a little bit more handled to get the business going, because the extra stressor might be a little bit much. So timing's everything.
Yeah, just got to find the right time and limit the bad times that may come up in the future. You know, expect those, but plan around those. At this point, are you mentally ready to be self-employed or to run your own business? Kind of do a little bit of a personal checklist, personal questionnaire about your personality. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses?
Yeah, there's stuff that a lot of business owners do well that maybe you don't do initially very well, but those traits can be developed down the road. You don't have to have everything perfectly organized, but it's good to kind of start to do that personal inventory to see where you're at mentally.
Right. Consider if you're financially ready to be self-employed, mentally ready to handle the challenges that'll be coming your way. If you have a low risk tolerance, maintain that day job. You can continue to count on that biweekly check, the health insurance that will keep you afloat and make you feel okay.
Yeah, some people start off as a side hustle because they need that security. Others have a little bit better risk tolerance and they're cool to just jump in. A lot of times we see you don't get to see any of the profits for a couple of years. So is that something you're ready for? You got to figure that out yourself.
And do you have a great support system around you that believes in you as much as you believe in your product, your service, whatever your idea may be?
Yeah, you got to be honest with yourself. And are the people around you going to be able to help you and assist you? How is what you're doing and starting this business going to affect them is something to consider for sure.
So these are just a few things to consider. Nothing that's a roadblock, just an area of opportunity within your journey for your goals. Thanks for enjoying our video. I'm Joplin, this is Eric.
Thanks for watching.